Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, third day of my washroom renovation is completed. So today it was an electrician. So he did a few things, like he made electric connections here. As you can see, this is probably is gonna be for the washer, and this heavy one is gonna be for the dryer. Another thing he did, like as per the new arrangement, I used to have light here, so the light has been removed, and new fitting has been done here. So probably now it's gonna be my light. This they will fill up. This also they will patch, like all the things that they have cut have been placed here. And yeah, and then we will have dryer, washer and dryer here. And this probably they have done to connect, you see there, yeah, there, this is to make the connection of the, what do you call, smoke from your dryer, so that it goes all the way out. Okay, so that's how it's gonna work, guys. Let me know guys what you feel about it. I'll keep you guys updated as it progresses. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.